Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson that I want to bring out from the Jerusalem Post from Reuters, published February the 23rd, 2024, and it reads: U.S. destroy Houthi drones, missiles at Yemen and Red Sea military says. The U.S. military said on Friday it had destroyed Houthi drones and anti-ship cruise missiles in Yemen in the Red Sea after determined the key presented an imminent threat to merchant vessels and U.S. Navy ships. The strikes hit 4 drones and 2 cruise missiles that were prepared to launch from Houthis controlled areas of Yemen towards the Red Sea. The military Central Command said the military also shut down 3 Houthis one-way track drones near commercial ships operating in the Red Sea, it said. The strikes was conducted on Thursday and Friday. The Central Command said there were no damage to any ship, it added. Joel 3 and verse 9, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, let them come up. Second Ezra 15 and verse 15. For the sword and discretion draweth nigh, and one people should stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. For there shall be sedition among men, vetting one another, and they shall not regard their princes, and the corset of their acts shall stand in their power. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, February the 23rd, 2024 was published, and it reads again: U.S. destroys Houthi drones, missiles in Yemen and Red Sea military says. As tensions are heating up between both sides from the Houthi rebels, was an Iranian-backed group over there in Yemen, going against the United States over there in the Red Sea, as tensions are heating up between both sides. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is that Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the whole tongue. And much love and respect to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.